You think you're fine, you think you're wise, but broke habits wear a clever disguise. It's not your job, it's not your pay. It's the rules you break every single day. Fix these rules, your life will change. Ignore them now. Stay broke, stay the same. Rule 1. Spending before saving. You spend what's left, you save what remains. That's why your money never sustains. The rich flip it, they play it smart. Save first always, that's where they start. Rule 2. Lifestyle inflation. More money comes, your spending grows. That silent trap, most people don't know. You earn more cash, but still feel broke. That's lifestyle inflation, the silent choke. Rule 3. No multiple income streams. One income stream? That's risky play. One problem hits, it all goes away. The rich build streams, not just one flow. That's how their money continues to grow. Rule 4. Avoiding investments. You save your cash and think that's right, but inflation steals it overnight. The rich invest, they let it grow, while your money stays moving slow. Rule 5. Bad debt habits. You borrow fast for things that fade. Now you're stuck in debts unpaid. The rich use debt to multiply. You use debt just to get by. Rule 6. No financial education. You learn to work, but not to grow. That's the biggest gap you don't know. The rich read deep, they understand. That knowledge builds a stronger hand. Rule 7. No long-term thinking. You chase quick wins, fast and loud. But slow wealth makes the rich feel proud. Think in years, not just today. That's how the rich always stay ahead in the game. Break these rules, rewrite your fate, or stay broke and learn too late.
Subscribe for more tips. Like this glowing gold coin. Get yours by subscribing.